This YouTube channel, Verilog AI, has over 1.5 million subscribers, and its videos are pulling in millions of views. At first glance, the content looks incredibly simple. Most of the videos are made using basic K-pop Demon Hunters characters, yet they're attracting a massive audience.
Get away from here!
So let's break down exactly how they're doing it. Before we recreate this style, let's first check whether the channel is actually monetized. Copy the channel's URL, open a new browser tab, and search for check if a YouTube channel is monetized. Paste the channel URL into the checker and click check. As you can see, the channel is monetized, meaning it's earning revenue directly from YouTube. That tells us there's real potential with this type of content. Now let's create a similar video ourselves. Open a new tab and search for K-pop Demon Hunters characters. This will help you identify the different characters and learn their names. Next, search for K-pop Demon Hunters Rumi full image. Go to the images section and choose a high quality image where Rumi isn't holding a weapon. Right click the image and save it as Rumi. Repeat the same process for Zoe. Search for her full image, choose the one you like best. Right click and save it as Zoe. Finally, do the same for Mira. Find a clean image, save it, and now you have all three characters ready. Next, open a new tab and search for Gemini AI. Once you're on Gemini, paste the first prompt shown on the screen, click the plus button to attach the image of your character, then submit the prompt. After a few moments, Gemini will generate a brand new image. Now paste the second prompt, attach the same character again, and generate another version. Once both images are finished, download them to your computer. Now let's animate them. Open another browser tab and search for Google Flow. Before we continue, a quick word from today's sponsor, which is actually me. If you've ever wanted to learn Blender but felt overwhelmed by long tutorials, I created something specifically for you. For just $6, I've put together a fast and beginner-friendly Blender animation course that teaches you only what you need to start creating animations quickly. You'll learn how to turn a simple cube into unlimited custom characters, rig them in minutes, and animate them however you want. Whether it's walking, running, dancing, jumping, or creating viral content for YouTube and TikTok. The reason I made this course is because I spent months trying to learn Blender the traditional way. I watched countless tutorials but never found a clear, beginner-friendly path. So I built the course I wish I had when I was starting out. If you're ready to level up your animation skills without wasting months learning, send me a message using the WhatsApp number in the description. Now let's get back to the tutorial. Upload the first image we generated into Google Flow and wait for it to finish uploading. Next, paste the animation prompt shown on the screen and click Generate.
Hello? Who is there?
After a short wait, Google Flow will create your animation, download the finished video, and save it. Repeat the exact same process with the second image. Upload it, paste the second animation prompt, and generate another video.
Hello? Is anyone there?
Once both clips are ready, it's time to edit. Open CapCut and import both videos.
Hello? Who is there? Hello? Is anyone there?
Arrange them in the order you want, trim away any unwanted sections, and add smooth transitions if needed.
Hello? Who is there? Hello? Is anyone there?
Generated video contains a watermark. Simply place a sticker over it to hide it neatly.
Hello? Who is there?
Export the final video in high quality, upload it to YouTube, and you're done.
Hello? Who is there? Hello? Is anyone there?
If you found this tutorial helpful and want to see more AI video creation tutorials like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one.